good morning. My hearty welcome to Gurdeva e-learning class. My dear students, as you know already, we were completed the 3 lessons, right? Which are those? Yes, you are right. The first one is my family, second lesson is my body, and third lesson is people around us, isn't it? Okay, so this is in today's class, we are going to start the new chapter. Before that, let's say the answer for these questions, my dear. Okay, the first question is, we go to this place when we are sick. So, when we fall in sick or as when we suffering from the fever on the time, in which place we are going to get the treatment? Yes, you are right. So, your answer is right, my dear. We go to the hospital, isn't it? Okay, let's read the second question, my dear. Mother goes to this place to buy fruits and vegetables. We want to purchase the fruits and vegetables. It means where we are going? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. So, we are going to the market, isn't it? So, our mother is also goes to the market, is it? Okay, let's read the third question, my dear. The third question is, I want to learn how to read and count the numbers. So, it means, my dear, in which place we are going to gain the knowledge, get the knowledge, my dear, about the different subject. In which place we are going to gain the knowledge? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. So, the answer is school, is it? In the school, we are going to learn the so many subject and also a different skills, is it? Okay, let's read the fourth question. We go to this place to pray the God. We go to this place to pray the God. So, in which place we are going to pray the God, my dear? Yes, you are right. So, temple, right? So, in different temples we are going to pray the God, isn't it? So, my dear, market, hospital, school, temple, what are these? Yes, these are the different places which are in our surroundings, right? So, all these places are around in our neighborhood, isn't it? So, my dear, now you are all thinking, why ma'am is telling about these places, isn't it? So, in today's class, which lesson we are going to learn? Do you know the lesson name, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, let's check the index page. Then you are going to understanding which lesson we are going to learn today. Have you opened the index page, my dear? Which is the fourth lesson here? Have you read the lesson name? Yes, you are right. The fourth lesson is places around us, right? So, my dear, in today's class, we are going to learn about the places around us lesson. Okay. So, my dear students, please open your textbook on page number 167. Because of now I am going to read the lesson. How I am reading the lesson? In the same way, you can practice in your home itself. Okay.
Fourth lesson, places around us. There are many important places in our environment. We visit these places for many different purposes. Let us learn about a few of them. School. The school is one of the most important places in our neighborhood. In school, we learn and gain knowledge, study about many interesting things, and learn various arts. We also play games and make a lot of friends in school. Library. A library is a place where we find many different types of books, magazines, and newspapers. We can borrow these books for a limited time and for a small fee. Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are sick. The doctor treats the patients by giving them medicines. All hospitals have doctors, nurses, ward boys, and other staff. Okay, my dear, remaining lesson I will continue in the next class. Okay.
In the next class, now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook and which I fetch in the textbook. Okay, so that's why you be ready with your pencil and also classwork. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to read the interesting words. So how I am pronouncing the words in the same way you practice in your home itself, my dear. Okay, are you ready? Interesting words. The first one is important, important. Second one, environment, environment. Third one, different, different. Fourth one, purposes, purposes. Fifth one, neighborhood, neighborhood. Sixth one, knowledge, knowledge. Seventh one, gain. Eighth one, library. Ninth one, magazines. Tenth one, newspapers, newspapers. 11th one, patients. 12th one, medicines. My dear students, all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook, and also you can write down in your classwork book, and you can practice all these interesting words in your home itself. Because of all these interesting words are help to read the lesson very easily. Okay, are you practicing in your home? Yes, my dear. So, my dear students, in our surroundings, we are seeing the different places, right? So, all the places are help to lead our life happy, and some places are help us to gain our knowledge and create our future also. Okay, so which are the places are in our neighborhood? What are the uses? How they helping for us to make our future bright? About that, let's we learn in details. There are many important places are there in our environment and in our surroundings, right? We visit those places for different purposes. Okay, so what are the places are there in our neighborhood? What are the uses we are going to get by that places? How we are enjoying that place when we visit? So, about that, let's learn about that in detail, my dear. Okay, so first we are going to visit the school. Have you seen the school? Are you go to school, my dear? Yes, you are right. We are all go to the school. We saw the school also, but nowadays we are all stay at home because of the pandemic situation of the coronavirus, right? So that's why we stay at home. But also school is come to your home. How? By the online classes, right? Okay, don't miss the school and school environment, my dear. Now we are going to visit the school, my dear. Okay, so my dear, what are you doing at the school? Yes, you are right. So in the school, we learn and gain knowledge of different subjects and new skills, right? So, who teaches the different subject to you at the school? Yes, you are right. Teacher teaches the different subject and they are helped to learn and gain the knowledge of the different subject like maths, English, science, social, Kannada, Hindi and EVS. Right? So, what are the new skills you are going to learn in the school, my dear? Do you know, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry, my dear. So, in the schools, we are going to learn the social skills. Social skills in the sense how to speak with our neighborhood, how to behave with our younger and elders, brothers or parents. Okay, how to behave with the peoples in the society. That skills we are going to learn in the schools, right? So all the new skills are help us to make our future bright and super. Okay, so my dear, which are the skills we are learning at the school? It means we are going to learn the singing, the songs, okay, singing songs, speeches about the different concepts and the role plays we are doing, right? How to act, how to exhibit that concept that we are learning, and dancing, right? So like the different skills we are learning in the school also, isn't it? And also my dear, school offers a lot of activities. It makes learning fun. Okay, school offers a lot of activities. For example, you want to acquire the knowledge of the different subject. It means what ma'am will doing? Teachers are conducting the different activities, right? So unscramble the letters, missing letters, match the following, true or false, isn't it? Related to the subject, related to the concept, they are conducting the different activities. Pick and speak, pick and act, and word building, like that activities they are doing, right? So that activities makes learning fun. Okay, that activities make learning fun, my dear. So by that activities also we are going to acquire the knowledge about the different subject. Okay, so by that, my dear students, school is known as a source of the knowledge. It is a treasury of the knowledge, my dear. Here we are going to make us very beautiful statue. Okay, so how to behave, how to talk with others, how to speak, how to be kind, how to include the good values in our life. That all also we are learning, right? So by that we will going to make our future bright. Okay, so this is the fountain. So have you seen the water fountain, my dear? So like that, school is the foremost fountain of a knowledge. Here always knowledge is enhancing, my dear. Okay, by that your knowledge you are going to get the so many different jobs, isn't it? Someone are becoming doctor, someone are becoming IAS officer, someone are engineer, some are lecturers, teachers are becoming, is it? Because of the what are the knowledge, what are the activities you gain in the school, what knowledge you acquired in the knowledge in the school. By that you are going to making your future bright by getting the different jobs. Okay, so my dear friends, this is the brief information about the school. Next, so now we are going to learn one of the very important place in everyone's life to make their future bright and to gain the knowledge. Which is that? Do you know, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, so next we are going to learn about the library. Okay, have you seen the library, my dear? Don't you see? Okay, so now we will visit the library. Okay, my dear students, are you ready to visit the library? Yes, come on, my dear. Have you seen the library? Is there in our town? Are you guessing? Are you guessing the answer? Yes, my dear, in our town there is a library. It is near to the Shankrama temple. Okay, Banashankari Devi temple is there na? Near to the Banashankari temple, RS Dr. Water, there is a library. Okay, once you can go and visit the library, then you are going to understand. So, how the library is, what are the books are there, how it is making to enhance our knowledge. So that all also you are going to understand by visiting the library, my dear. Okay, so my dear, so library is also one of the very important place in our life, because of this is a treasury of the knowledge, my dear. Okay, treasury it means in khajane. Okay, treasury in the sense khajane. So this is the treasury of the knowledge. Why I am telling like that? It means, so first you can learn the definition of the library. Later you are going to understanding why it is the very important place. Okay. So my dear, library it means a library is a place where books and sources of information are stored. Okay. A library is a place where books and sources of information are stored. That place is called as a library, my dear. Okay, so let's observe the picture. In the picture you are observing there is a many different books are arranged, isn't it? So my dear, already you knew books are help us to enhance our knowledge, enhance our vocabulary, enhance our speaking style, right? So that's why my dear, library is a place where books are arranged very neatly, and also that is a source of information. Okay, different books are giving the different informations, my dear. Understand? So that's why that place is known as a library. Okay, so what are the books are there in the library? It means we can see different types of many books. So like magazines, newspapers, biographies, autobiographies and storybooks. Okay, so what are the books are there in the library? It means there we can see the magazines, different types of magazines, my dear. Okay, so what are the magazines are there in the library? It means Tushara, Taranga, Sudha, like that magazines we can see in the library, and newspapers, my dear. So in the library we are seeing the different newspapers. Like some newspapers are in English newspapers, some are Kannada newspaper, and different language newspaper we are seeing in the library. For example, The Hindu, Deccan Herald. Okay, so these two are the examples of the English newspaper. Okay, and Kannada we come means there we are seeing the Prajavani, Vijayavani, Vijay Karnataka, Samyukta Karnataka, like the different newspaper we are seeing in the library. Okay, and also other Hindi newspapers also we are seeing there. Telugu papers also we are seeing there. Okay, different language newspapers are there in the library. And my dear, so here we are seeing the biographies. So what is biography? Already you learned the definition of the biography, right? In which subject you learned? Yes, you are right. In the English first poem, already you learned the meaning of the biography, right? So biography it means, so a biography is a life story of a person that is written by someone. Okay, that book is written by the some other person. For example, about the Gandhiji, I write the book of Gandhiji. It means Gandhiji lifestyle, Gandhiji life history means that is biography. Okay, so autobiography it means the life story of a person is written by himself. That is called autobiography. Okay, next storybooks. Already you knew so many different storybooks are there. Some stories are small, some are big stories. Some stories are related or regarding the animals and birds, like Panchatantra, isn't it? So library is a source of information, because here we can see that so many different books. Okay, so you want to read the books. It means what we have to do? It means in the library you can will go and visit first, and you can make a library card. Okay, by that library card, the librarian will giving your book. Okay, that book you can read afterwards, you can return. Okay, next, which is you want, you can take that. Okay, that facility also is there in the library. Understand? Here, see, we can borrow these books for a limited time. Okay, for 1 week, like that they are giving the time for you to read your favorite book. Okay, and we want to pay some fees for that. We want to pay small fee. Okay, because of we want to make the library card, isn't it? So that's why, my dear, we have to pay small fee, and we want to borrow the books. It means for the limited time we have to first make the library card. Okay, so is there na Rashtra Kavi Kuvempu is there na? So he ಅವ್ರು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕವಿಗಳು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್.ಎಲ್. ಭೈರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ್, ಪಾಟೇಲ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕವಿಗಳು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್, now I am giving one work to you. What is the work? It means once you can visit the library, then you are going to understanding about the brief information of the library. Okay. So my dear students, I hope you understood the topic or concept what we discussed in today's class. In the next class, I will continue the hospital. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn about the hospital, about the bank, and about the mall. Okay, so until you can practice all the interesting words, and also you can practice reading the lesson and make a audio record of the reading the lesson, and please send to me by WhatsApp. Okay, so my dear, have a nice day. Bye bye.